It could be a demo reel that is got a little bit of everything in it, everything that you offer, everything within your range within it. Could be, a broad range of things. Or you could also make, and I recommend having several different types of demos, but other demos could be just audiobook specific. You could have a audiobook demo. You could even break that down further and have a audiobook demo that's all self-help. You could have an audiobook demo that's all children's books. You can have an audiobook demo that's all romance or whatever else that you offer. You could also have a commercial demo, which is all just commercial work. You can even break that down further and have, commercial work that is all just one tone or another. You could also have a demo that was e-learning, another demo that is IVR. And IVR stands for interactive voice response, which is really just a fancy way of saying phone trees, phone messages.